You got it?
Yeah, it's recording.
Alright.
Can you hear like voice on this shit?
Yeah, it has volume, but that's when you play it. But you can get off of me, you know.
All day, every day.
Wait, wait.
Stop!
Stay free all day, baby.
Stop! Yo, I'm gonna put that shit on MySpace. Why? Stop! I'm gonna send it to you. Stop.
Yo, what the fuck? You're gonna kick your camera.
That's what we throw it out. DT Entertainment all day. We throw it that PR shit, not that deal.
Alright, stop.
Stop.
Then I won't be able to take no more pictures.
How do I stop it? Just press it?
Hey, what?